Welcome to One Kanji a Day. In just 2 minutes, you'll learn one Japanese character. Let's begin. Here is today's kanji. It is read higashi or to in many words. Take a good look at its shape. This character means east. It has 8 strokes. Inside words, it often sounds like to. On its own, it is usually higashi. The sun rising behind a tree, light coming from the east. Now let's write it. 8 strokes. Follow the numbers on screen, in order, slowly. Let's see it in real words. Higashi means east. Tokyo means Tokyo. And higashiguchi means east exit. A quick tip so you don't mix it up. Look closely at these similar kanji. Kuruma, read kuruma, car. Suko, read taba, bundle. Notice the small differences. So, that's higashi, east. 8 strokes. Read higashi or to. Try writing it 5 times today. See you tomorrow.